In the upscale Mandeville Canyon and Encino areas of Los Angeles, firefighters took advantage of better weather to stop flames from expanding the Palisade Fire northern footprint today. Cooler Pacific wind in the area earlier today blew inland from the south to southwest, giving firefighters temporary respite from warm, dry offshore wind that moved from north to south and heat up air molecules under pressure as the gut descends mountain towards the sea. Winds are in our favor in that area, so it looks really good, said California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection Operation Chief Christian Litz. He explained that some of the northeastern contours of the fire near Mandeville Canyon were fortified with dozer lines amid the fire northern pause. We watched as it is backing down, Litz said during a community meeting streamed from public viewing tonight. The area has been subject of concern after evacuation warning spread across the 405 freeway into parts of Bel Air and abutting the campus of UCLA in Westwood. The fire didn't jump the freeway. Firefighters fended off Palisade fire threat to Mandeville Canyon, Encino, and continued. The topside looked really good, Litz said. Tomorrow represent the possibility of another difficult day as kind of Santa Ana wind that helped fuel Southern California's devastating fires during the week were expected to return overnight. National Weather Service data tracked the winds as they turned around and returned to dreaded offshore direction from the north to northeast tonight. Red flags warning were in effect for much of LA and Ventura counties tonight, with gusts of 50 to 75 mph possible tonight into tomorrow morning and again tomorrow night into Monday morning. Federal forecasters said high confidence in long duration critical fire weather condition. The Weather Service Oxnard, California office said it is a red flag warning message. Red flag warning alert residents to dangerous fire weather as measured by winds of at least 20 mph and relative humidity of 25% or less, according to the weather station.